Hey guys, got a 2022 plate SKODA Kodiaq here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. If you do find the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see some more useful content like this, subscribe to the channel. Right, so on this one we're going to use the screen in the centre of the dash. From here you want to press car, then go to settings, then tyres. Then first make sure your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressure, and then you want to press set. Do all full tyres pressures match the required values? Then you want to go to confirm. Tyre pressure saved, and that's it.